The internet has changed everything. It's not just for fun anymore. You can make real money online. Many people are doing it. You can too. It's all about finding the right method. This essay will show you the way. We'll talk about proven methods. These methods are easy to understand. More importantly, they work. Are you ready to start your online income journey? Let's dive in. Dropshipping is a popular online business. You sell products online, but you don't keep any inventory. Sounds good, right? Here's how it works. First, find a product people want. Second, list it on your online store. Third, when someone buys, you order it from a supplier. Finally, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. You make money on the difference. You never handle the product. Do you like talking about products? Affiliate marketing might be for you. You promote other people's products. You get paid when someone buys through your link. It's like being a salesperson, but online. Find products you like. Share your special link with others. Earn commissions on every sale. It's that simple. Section 4. Sharing is earning, create, and sell online courses. Are you good at something? Can you teach others? Consider creating an online course. People love to learn new skills, and online courses are in high demand. Choose a topic you know well. Create valuable video lessons. Host your course on a platform. Promote it and start earning. Share your knowledge, help others, and make money while doing it. Section 5. Become a freelancer. Your skills, your worth. Do you have skills? Writing, design, programming? Freelancing is a great option. Work from anywhere, anytime. Be your own boss. Many platforms connect freelancers with clients. Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are popular choices. Create a profile, showcase your skills, find clients, and start earning. Remember, stay updated with trends. The online world moves fast, so keep learning and adapt to new opportunities. Success awaits. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Real Moneymaker 11 and like my videos. Let's make money together.